Music makes sense to us naturally. It's a gift from nature. We all have a built-in sense to feel the music and tonality. It's all a part of the magic of music. People can feel and understand music without knowing how or even why. We don't know why a sequence of notes can provoke our emotions and our feelings. We don't know why we care so much that it's a C or a C sharp. Without any knowledge of music theory, we can still feel when there is something wrong with one single note out of thousands. Some of us are more gifted, born with perfect pitch and music sense, but for most of us, we need to practice to develop the fullness of the sense that's in us all. In this set of trainings, we focus on the music sense needed for singers. We want to have relative pitch and some inner ear ability. By developing a more intuitive understanding of what you hear, the exercises will improve your musical ability and pitch accuracy. For best results, practice every day.